Welcome to this tutorial on updating your invoice details in the eSky app. Whether you're booking flights for personal or business purposes, ensuring your billing information is accurate is essential. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to add or modify your invoice details within the eSky mobile application. First, open the eSky app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then select Invoice Details from the list of options. Here, you'll be prompted to choose your payer type. You can select either natural person for individual bookings or company if you're booking on behalf of a business. After confirming your selection, you'll need to enter your billing information. Fill in your full name, surname, country, postal code, city, street address, and house number. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues with your invoices. Finally, tap Save to update your invoice details. Your information will now be stored and used for future bookings. Keeping your invoice details up to date in the eSky app is a straightforward process that ensures smooth transactions for both personal and business travel.